friends, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. So today I'm going to be doing a work with me video for you guys. So this is an order that my sister placed with me. She wanted 8 hoodies and 6 sublimated t-shirts for her family for Christmas. So for the 8 hoodies, she wanted a front and back to be embroidered. So for the front, I'm not showing you guys in this video how I hoop it, because I've done tons of video on how I hoop the front of a shirt. So it's similar with how I hoop the kids t-shirt in the past videos. It's just that for the adult, from the bottom of the neckline, it should be about 3 inch down. So the image was sit flat on the chest and not low on the stomach, you know, so it should leave about 3 inch from bottom of the neckline of the hoodie. And that's how I do the front. And I'm using the 8x9 Mighty Hoop. My machine is a Brother 1050X, so the sewing field can only go up till 8 inches wide. It could go longer than that, but you have to split the design and use a 14x14 hoop, which I don't have. So I told my sister that the image I'll try to get it as big as the Mighty Hoop 8x9. And so she's okay with that. So we decided to do that. And then from the back, she just want one word that's applicated. And you guys will see me show you guys how to do that and how to hoop it and do the applique for the words and trim it out. So I'm not going to be narrating the rest of the video, so I will just be playing music for you guys while you guys enjoy me just working on the orders. And if you guys have any question or you guys see anything that you guys want to ask in the video, just comment everything in the comment below. So anyways, friends, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey friends, so I want to come back here and tell you guys a little bit about the fabric print that I'm using here. So my sister loved like our cultural prints, so she asked me to make this hoodie to have some Hmong cultural prints in there. And so the front I made it a girl with a Hmong hat, and in the back I just have this fabric that I bought from a Hmong store locally that showcase our cultural print on it. So we have many variety of textile, but this is what I have on hand. So I told her, you know, this is what I'm going to use. And so the back just spell Hmong in our written language. So in our written language, we use the alphabet of the English, but the sound is not the same. So if you're trying to pronounce it with the English sound, it's not going to come out right, because our Hmong language has their own sound, but they just use the alphabet of the English letters, but it's the construction and the sound is different. So anyways, in a little bit just about my language. And so it's just spelled Hmong and then her last name under in a black satin stitch. So that's all, you guys. That's all I want to share with you guys. And then here you guys just see me trimming with my scissor. You guys can use Silhouette or Cricut Design Space to make a cut file, and so you guys can omit this step. The reason I didn't do that is because I enjoy trimming it with my scissor, and I love the scissor. So this is a Ganger scissor, super sharp. So I'm using two scissors because one of them can't really go through. You guys see where I'm trying to cut from the top. The Ganger scissor, it's a little bit longer and it's flatter. It doesn't have the dip like this one that I'm using, so that's why I'm using this one to cut the top. But if you use your Cricut or your Silhouette, you can omit this step. And I know some people have arthritis or problem with the wrist, so this probably will be a little bit challenge for you guys, but I enjoy this process. It's just really soothing for me. Anyways, guys, that's all I want to share with you guys. Bye, friends.